Okay, so summertime is when I crave a protein coffee. So I am going to show you ladies how I make my protein coffee right here in my kitchen. What I'm going to do is with our glass full of ice, we're going to take our cold brew. This is just instant coffee that I made ahead of time and put in the refrigerator. So we're going to pour this on top of the ice. I am going to add just a tiny little bit of this caramel, preferably sugar-free, but that's the regular one. And then we're going to take this Atkins creamy vanilla shake and I'm going to top it on top of the coffee. So we're going to add the cinnamon on top. I like a lot of cinnamon. You can find these glass cups in the Amazon storefront. So good. And just that little pinch of caramel just takes it to the next level because the vanilla, the caramel, and then the cinnamon. And then this will keep me satisfied all morning so I can work and get things done and I have to worry about making a meal. And yeah, it's a vibe. So if you try this out, let me know.